Today we will be talking about one of the most powerful Audi RS models ever built. And this car is just a rocket. Wow! Today's an Audi RSQ8 kind of day, and today we will be talking about one of the most powerful Audi RS models ever built. We will be talking about the RSQ8 Performance, and before we do that, we actually have a price list here from Audi. And yeah, with the V8 included, we are talking about a base price of 155,000 euros in Germany. We have the chili red exterior paint. I think is a new paint option coming with the facelifted version of the Audi RSQ8 and also with the regular Q8. This is the facelifted model, 2025 model year. And this is an RSQ8, but as you can already see and maybe tell by the wheels, it's not a regular one. This is the RSQ8 Performance. I mean, with a regular RSQ8, we would be talking about 600 horsepower-ish. But now, with the RSQ8 Performance that we have here, we have one of the most powerful V8 models ever built. This car is producing, I think, 640 horsepower. Some people even say 641 horsepower. The VMAX is lifted all the way up to 305 kph. I mean, we're talking about an SUV at this point, and this car is just a rocket. Yeah, if it's a performance or not, most of the time from the exterior you can already tell by the wheels. With these wheels, with each one, Audi is saving 5 kilograms. 5 kilograms! Since we have 4 wheels, that makes 20 kg, which you're saving here, which makes not a lot of sense for this humongous SUV, but it's actually like this, so I'm taking it. Also, when we talk about the carbon ceramic brakes here, the brake disc is one of the biggest on the market. As you can see, it's just huge. It's the same size as the Cayenne GTS, if I'm not mistaken, or the Cayenne Turbo. Pretty huge and is absolutely amazing. Chili red looks fantastic, and then we have the red brake calipers matching here. In the front, there's a lot of changes. The wheels look amazing. Let me show you the rear. As soon as I actually move closer to the car, look at this. I'm moving closer. See? I'm moving back again. See? Wow. I don't get why they did it, but it looks pretty cool. It's just a warning to not get close to this beast. I totally forgot to tell you the final price for this spec here. It's almost 200,000 euros in Germany. So 196,000 euros with the taxes included at this point. Gets you a 640 horsepower family SUV coupe, which looks super nice. The V8 rumble. Can you hear that? It's so nice. Let me show you the V8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. 8-cylinder. V8 RS 640 horsepower. The engine looks huge. Also with these red details all around. I totally forgot to tell you where we are. We're at the Fat Ice Race in Zell am See in Austria. It's the event hosted by Ferdi Porsche. Yeah, Audi is also participating. Thank you for the invitation at this point. If you can see, we have quite a lot of Audi models right over there. Some guys filming. And we will be just talking about this beast here. Ooh! Let me just close that here for you. Bam. With the facelifted Q8 and RSQ8, we have a lot of changes. First things first, the headlamps. So in the headlights, you can change the signature styling. Let me show you. So this is pretty fantastic, in my opinion. If you just get bored by the design of your headlamps, you can just change them. So you can just switch through. They give you a total of 4 or 5 different designs. See, 1 second, there you go. Watch this. Boom, bang, boom. So it's all up to you which one you choose. This one's my favorite. Yeah, with a few changes. And it's only for the front. So what do you guys think? Sorry for all the background noises, but we will be focusing on the RSQ8 again. The front's been completely changed, and that's what I love about Audi. When they give us a facelift, they actually give us a facelift. So they changed quite a lot of things, especially here on the front. We have a full carbon fiber detail now. Back in the days, we used to have a connection part which was finished in black gloss with the headlamps. Now this is all integrated in the grille base here, and this you can also get in full matte carbon fiber since we have the performance. The front here, the grille, everything is finished in black gloss, and we have the new Audi rings, unfortunately not illuminated. This is something that I'm waiting for my entire life. Unfortunately, I can't do it, but this would look so cool. Oh yeah, I'm telling you, it's freezing cold. My hand is literally frozen. But for you, I do it. Look at this, guys. The side profile of the RSQ8 is one of the best looking SUVs on the market, if you ask me. Audi was actually the first to build this kind of style SUV. There's actually no competition if you compare this car with all the others. I even heard BMW trying to do something like this. I mean, they had their attempt with the XM. Mercedes is also on it. I'm not quite sure if they will do it, but this is, in my opinion, one of the best looking SUVs out on the market. Performance wheels look so cool on this car here. Full finished in black matte. I love this. If in case you forgot which car you're driving, you have it here on the B pillar. It's an Audi RSQ8. You get that with every single new Audi nowadays. Let me just open the door and show you the interior. Let's go. Yes, it's time to talk about the interior of the all new Audi RSQ8 Performance. Let me just start the ignition. This sound is so harmonic. I like it a lot. We have the full Alcantara Dinamica steering wheel here, which in my opinion doesn't look good. Why? If you ask me, the steering wheel is just too thin. When you grab it, doesn't match the style and character of this car, and the airbag cover is finished in plastic. That's about it. I like the shift pedals. I don't like these buttons here because also the finish of these is plastic. The frame looks pretty nice and luxurious, but apart from that, in the inside, yeah, we get quite a lot of things. Also here you can just switch around and choose your like design. You just do that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different settings, and then you just accept it. Here we have the shift knob, pretty cool, finished in Alcantara Dinamica. We have the start stop button here, and we just start the engine for you. 3, 2, 1. The RSQ8 comes with these amazingly looking nice leather seats here. The cool thing about this is, I mean, in the outside is finished in chili red, and in the inside you will find a lot of nice contrast stitching and even the RS emblem on the seat. Something pretty nice is the perforation, because right behind the black leather here is the red leather with the stitching. Makes this seat look pretty nice, really sporty also, especially here on this seat belt. Also again, red details all around. I love that. Huge fan of it. But now enough talking about the interior and finishing. I have to say interior finish is pretty nice. All leather, Alcantara, Dinamica, whatever. The airbag cover is the only thing I don't like. And since it's the first thing you always see, my main issues on this car here. But to forget this point, all you have to do is put down the window and enjoy the V8. Let me just, the car is already set in dynamic. Let me just give you a taste of this amazing engine, and the exhaust is also perfect. Let me jump outside and give you a better sound check from the outside. I'm telling you, it sounds way better. Let's go. Okay guys, let's also start up the car again from the outside. From the inside it's quieter, to be honest, and the previous RS models were also way louder, but I think if you want it louder, you can just easily modify it. 3, 2, 1, let's start it up. Wow! So within 1 to 2,000 RPM, it sounds pretty nice and gives you some pops and bangs. But if you go higher than that, let's say 4,000 RPM, it doesn't sound that good anymore. Let me just give you a taste of that. 1,000, 2,000 RPM. See? And that's, if you go higher, I think it sounds way better when pushing it in low RPMs. Anyways, guys, how do you like it from the outside, inside, the color, price, the quality? Please leave it in the comment section below. Would you rather get the RSQ8, the GLE 63S Coupe, or the BMW XM or the X6M? Leave it in the comment section below. Already looking forward to see you all again and wish you an amazing day. 3, 2, 1. I will be back.